How to delete Onlinejobs.ph account. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can delete your account in Onlinejobs.ph. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So probably you have tried to go into your account and settings to check if you can delete your account, but there is no way to delete an account here. All you can do is go here at the bottom of your page, going to contact us, and here you must to type your full name, email, the subject, delete account, and type a message letting them know you want to delete your account, and they are going to respond to you through your email address. So you're going to continue with the process. There is no such a button to delete your account. You can also go into the 11 most frequently asked questions in case you would like to check if there's another option, but let me tell you, there's no another option. Perhaps you want to again go into the contact us page and going to message us through Facebook Messenger, and you're going to be able to delete your account in onlinejobs.ph. In any case, if you don't want to use it anymore, you just have to log out from your account and stop using your account. In that way nobody's gonna contact you, because probably you just have to go into the job board in order to check the latest job posts and go and make like an offer into this job proposal. And this is how it works. The only way to delete your account is going to the contact us page. Thanks for watching.